Hello students, I am here, Usha Dikshit. Today I want to teach you the chapter The Fun They Had. This chapter belongs to class 9 literature. In this chapter you will study about the different kinds of schools. Students, this chapter is like a debate. In this, two students are talking to each other about the different kinds of school. They are real brothers and sisters. Their name is Tommy and Margie. Students, this chapter is written by Isaac Asimov. In this chapter, he wants to tell us about the girl who is Margie. Margie hates her school very much. His brother is taking interest because he is little bit elder than her. He is 13 years old while Margie is only 11 years old. One day, Tommy got a book from the room of his grandfather. In this book, the story of the old-fashioned school was written. This book belonged to her grandfather's young age when he was studying. Now, he came to know that in the beginning there were no books, only the stories were written in the pages. Now the pages were explained by only one teacher. That was only in the open space. The classroom was held where all kinds of children used to get together. They used to come at particular time, and also they leave from there after ringing the bell together. Now, Margie is belonging to the present time. Her school is just like a big hall held in her room. There is a robotic teacher which teaches her only the geography. That is very difficult subject for her. She hates it very much because her mechanical teacher or the robotic teacher always gave lots of tests, lots of homework and worksheets again and again, which she did not want to solve. Now, because of this, she always gets worse grades in her study. Her mother used to scold her. Now, one day, Tommy brought a book and he told her that this book is related to the old school. Now, in the beginning, Margie hates it. She does not like to read this book. But when Tommy gets interest, he goes in the attic and he reads it. Then Margie also tries to read it. As she created interest in this, meanwhile her mother called again to study with that robotic teacher. Now she was getting too much bored because of this. One day, mother puzzled very much. She also called a county inspector and showed that robotic teacher. The inspector came. He gave her an apple. Margie took it. She was thinking that the robotic teacher will go at least for 1 month with him. But it was not so. He brought the box of the tools. He repaired it. Then he told her mother that this robotic system has some fault in it. It is above the level of the 11 years child. That's why Margie was not taking interest in this and getting very poor. Now at last she read the book and found that the children had a lot of fun in the schools of the past time because all they sit together. There was no system of homework, only common things were used to teach the students, and each other can help in the homework. Margie also wanted such type of study, but Tommy says that it is not possible nowadays because in those days there was no technology. The present time is little bit based on technology, but the future time the whole study will be based on the technology. There will only the e-books that will be fed in computer tablets like this. At last, in this story we can see that our technology is becoming too much advanced, and whatever we are studying, our children will be more advanced than us, because in the future time the technology will improve much. In this way, the topic is related to the fun they had. They means here the children who belonging to the past time. And according to Margie, fun means the children had a lot of amusement in the past time in their schools. Nowadays study is getting too much typical. We are having lots of burden of books and notebooks, lots of homework. That's why we are not getting too much with our studies.